Hi there, in this video I'm going to make instant clear slime. Real quick, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jessica and this is Slime Bliss. Click subscribe and ring the bell to catch all the new videos. To make instant clear slime, it's a little different than when you make clear slime the normal way. When I say normal, you typically mix all the ingredients together at once and then wait 3 or 4 days for it to clear up. In instant clear slime, you use the same ingredients, but it's the way you add the ingredients that is the trick. First, to start, I take 1 cup of warm water and I add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. You're going to want to mix this up so that the baking soda completely dissolves into the mixture. Initially, it's going to be cloudy and you're just going to want to stir until it becomes clear. Once this mixture is complete, because it's warm, I suggest that you let it sit until it becomes cool. I just use tap water and let the faucet run until it gets fairly warm and then measure out 1 cup. I use 1 bottle of clear Elmer's glue, which is roughly 5 ounces. So if you have a big jug or a different size, you'll need to measure it out. Next, I slowly pour it into a measuring cup. And when I say slowly, you really want to be careful. The big thing with clear glue is that you want to keep out all the bubbles. The bubbles are the problem when you're trying to get clear slime and the reason why you have to let it sit for 3 or 4 days. So the best thing is not to have a lot of bubbles in your mixture from the beginning. It's really important to pour the glue against the edge of the bowl or dish. That will slow the glue down and help reduce the introduction of bubbles into the slime. You can use other brands of clear glue if you prefer. If you do get any bubbles, like you see here, you can carefully pop them. Once I have the glue into the measuring cup, I take the contact solution and add 3 tablespoons. I don't typically buy any particular brand of contact solution. Here, I use the Equate brand from Walmart. It works well and it's inexpensive. Here again, you're going to want to pour it in on the side to help reduce bubbles. You want to be very smooth while stirring your mixture. Don't bring your spatula or stirring utensil up very much. I recommend a spatula over a fork or something that has tines or holes. The tines and holes are more likely to add bubbles. You want to keep stirring your contact solution and glue together until it's completely clear. In a larger bowl, pour in the baking soda mixture. Next, I take the clear glue and contact solution mixture and I pour it slowly into the bowl. Again, you want to pour it down the side of the bowl to not introduce bubbles. This is very crucial. I can't stress this enough. You're going to stir it together very slowly. Don't be choppy. You'll want to stir it in a very smooth fashion so you're not introducing additional bubbles into your clear slime. When you pour the glue and contact solution into the baking soda, it virtually makes slime almost immediately. After stirring a small bit, and once it congeals into the bowl of water, you can remove it or just dump the water out and you'll have the slime left in the bowl. I decided here to pull it out of the bowl and put it on the table to show you how clear the slime is once it's complete. At this time, you can either play with the slime, add color or glitter, or whatever you choose. If you do it right, the slime comes out very clear immediately, so really you don't have to do any additional wait time to let the bubbles clear out. If you do have some bubbles, you can let it sit for 24 hours and it should clear up. Obviously, the more bubbles you have in the solution, the longer you're going to have to wait for them to work their way out of the slime. It also depends if you take it out and play with it. Anytime you play, mix, or twist the slime, it's going to introduce bubbles into it. If you're looking to keep it perfectly clear, then you will need to handle it carefully. So that's how you make instant clear slime. It's an easy way and there are only a couple more steps over the traditional way. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe for more videos like this. Please let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next. Is there another type of slime you like to see made? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.